Warning, some, if not all pride was hurt during the making of this video. This movie may cause nausea and headaches. Don't usually put my face on the camera, but here I am. It's too hot to be outside with the camera, so I'm just messing around on the PC at the moment. So I said I'd do a quick look back on a video I put up in 2012 on my channel when I had a Parrot AR drone, which was pretty much, I thought, was mind blowing at the time when I got my hands on it. Pretty crappy when you look back on them now. The image quality, stabilization, all that stuff was pretty bad at the time. But at the moment now I have this baby, the Parrot AR 2S blah 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 blah, and I stuck a decal kit on it. If you need a decal for your drone, check out decalgirl.com. That's not a plug, I don't have anything to do with anybody. But yeah, she's some pretty cool stuff on there. So yeah, this is just a quick look back from about 10 years ago, the change in technology. And it's leaps and bounds, night and day. See what you think. Trey, if you want some cheese, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, which I never ask anyone to do because don't be stupid. I'm just putting these videos up for the laugh. Anyway, have a look, see what you think. And before anybody starts giving out, web camera's not working, so I'm just using my GoPro Black with no microphone because this baby doesn't plug into it, unfortunately, and I don't have an external mic for the GoPro. Anyway, yeah, hope you enjoyed that. If you didn't, you didn't. So, take care.